In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join ChatGPT Discord. If you want to become part of the ChatGPT Discord community, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT Discord, then run the search. This is the quickest way to find the official invite page, especially if you're not sure of the direct link. When searching, it's always a good idea to look carefully at the results so you can choose the official source and avoid unofficial or unrelated pages. Once the search results appear, look for the OpenAI result and click on it. This step is important because you want to make sure you're joining the correct Discord community connected to ChatGPT. Official results are usually the safest option, and they help you avoid expired links or fan-made pages that may not lead to the right server. After you open the OpenAI page, find the option that says Accept Invite and click it. This is the final step that sends you into the Discord invite flow. If you're already signed in to Discord in your browser, you may be taken directly into the server right away. If you're not signed in yet, Discord may ask you to log in or create an account before you can continue. Once you accept the invite, take a moment to look around the server. Many Discord communities have welcome channels, rules, or verification steps that you may need to complete before accessing everything. Reading those carefully can help you get set up faster and avoid any issues. If you don't immediately see all the channels, that usually just means there's one more onboarding step to finish. And that's it. The basic process is to search for ChatGPT Discord, select the official OpenAI result, and then click Accept Invite. It's a quick setup, but following the official path makes the experience smoother and more secure. If you're following along in real time, feel free to pause as needed while you complete each part. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the community and stay connected through Discord.